So today is the last day of our intensive training, and as we are planning to end this day, we are going to do a few more polishing sa tuwang race program to prepare the teams for the upcoming race in Siquijor this weekend. So same goes with our routine, and as early as 4 a.m. matanata as we prepare with the 4 teams sa tuwang race course for the last day of our training
Yes,
sa
hello.
Park here in Barangay Mandawi City. So our first team, umana sila o race course, followed by team nilang Kent, which is team B, composing mostly of our PD1. PD1 means para Dragon 1, so most of the athletes that are paddling on this team have disability. Okay, so they will be competing with us dito sa Siquijor karong September 1. So this is led by their pacer, si Kent, who is also our World Championship contender for the World OCR, meaning Obstacle Course Racing. So he's also part of our national team, no? So POSF, Philippine Obstacle Course Federation, will be representing the para athletes in the World OCR Championships. Also, we have invited Sir Arnel from Hydra, Team Hydra of Davao City to join us in this race. And we also have Cons Jonathan de la Peña, ever supportive board of directors sa PAD, and also a very active leader in the disability community diri sa Mandawi City. So while waiting, others nagmulhumol dagat, nagpa-cool down while observing and watching Team D, mga tuwang elite. And then karon as you are seeing, muna akong Team A, okay, composing mostly of our youth paddlers, our newbie paddlers, and also ako newbie ko ani kay for the last 8 years that I've been managing pads, I decided to really paddle with the team, and I will be dedicating this race to my lovely wife who is in complete bed rest kay medyo complicated jud kayo ang iyang pregnancy, and I'm really hoping and offering this race para maayo ang result sa check up na mo pohon ning uli na mo sa Siquijor. So please pray for me, guys. Tanan akong kusog sa race ako ning i-offer sa ako ang wife to si Mayma, who is also our drummer. So naa siya karon sa balay in complete bed rest. 15 minutes ra gyud ang allow sa doktor saya para mo pilit ang among baby, no, walay maunsa, dili maunsa ang among baby. So I dedicate this race to my wife, Maymay. Get well soon. And so for everyone nagsunod sa akong video, please pray for my wife and for our baby. I leave this video to Rocky for our post-training kaganapan. Enjoy mo, guys, and good luck Team Pads sa Siquijor Dragon Boat Race 2024, and salamat sa tanan ning suporta sa Pads Dragon Boat Team. More power and bugsay hangtod. Mabuang!
Guys, kung ginahan ka mo makadaog, no, narang link sa kong bayo.
Scatter.
Ganahan ba ka makadaog og appliances? Sakyanan, motor? Narang link sa kong bayo.
Murag kan ba makontra mo sa New Zealand ba? Welcome to New Zealand. Murag ka Koreaner. Murag kan ba makontra mo sa New Zealand ba? Welcome to New Zealand.
Go, labiha, oy. Lo, sa naman no?
Samsaw mo na. Ay, ano ba si Silvio?
Gin.
Basta ka ba? Lamig kayo pag ginawa.
Lamay kayo.
Murang ka nga, init yung lawas. Bata pa ganit.
Oh, next.